Hey guys, there's another updates from TikTok, and I think you might like this. This is from your notification. You can find this from your notification. That's what I mean. So it is something like an invitation uh, to grow consulting business here in Live Good. So our affiliate, Live Good affiliate is also a consulting business because you can be a coach, right? On teaching others how to do Live Good affiliate. So when you see this invitation, okay, from your notification, I'm gonna go back to the notification so you will know what I'm saying. So this is my notification. There are tons of updates here, and this is what I'm talking about. You can find this title. Congratulations, you unlock a new feature on TikTok Live. Okay, so let's try to click this one, and this is where you will get redirected. So it explains here that you can do something with your services. So let's try to click the join and see how it goes. All right, so this one is nothing because they're going to delete the subscription services. I don't like the subscription because it's letting others pay for your services. I don't like that one. So here's the thing. This is kind of lead form. Now we have a lead form. Wow, that's so nice. There's a questionnaire here that you can add or you can edit because it has two here. Maybe you can add more. Let's say, for example, this one. Let me click this one, and you can edit, hide, delete, cancel. Okay, let's try to find the edit. Okay, so this is your form. Let's say a person maybe went or check your profile. Maybe they could see that there, or there might be a button to click and they will see what services you offer. I think that's how it goes. So the title would be as, how's that? Let me go there. Where's the as? Okay. Ask me about Live Good affiliate program. That could be one of your title to attract people to your Live Good program. With me, I might change it or I might add more because I'm a website designer, as you know, for 15 years, over 15 years. So, but this is good, Live Good affiliate program. And I have a little description here, over 1.7 million. I think I'm gonna say over 1.9 million members have joined our affiliate program. You too can earn extra blah 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 16 monthly with our membership club. Start today at getquicktour.com. I don't know if that is allowed, but maybe, yeah. So there is questionnaires. There is also this section wherein you can add questionnaires. Okay, so I'm gonna click add, and let's see what's gonna happen. All right, so there are ready questions like what courses you offer. Hi, I'd like to take your course. Can we chat, or how can I purchase? So I think you can add this because this is on check right here, but you can also uncheck if you don't like it. And you can also customize over here. Let me check and then customize. All right, over here I can customize. All right, add question. Okay, add question title. What is Live Good affiliate? It's up to you to if you want to explain that, or maybe let's say what is your product, on how to join, something like that. Let's say how to join your affiliate program. Okay, so let's have that one for example. All right, yeah. So enhance your TikTok, guys. So you have 80 characters over here allowed. Okay, 36 characters. I typed 36 characters, so it's up to you. This is just an example. Let's hit the done and add the reply. Okay, what did I say there in my question? Okay, and then submit the answer. Let me try. Oh my God, I forgot. What did I ask? How to join your affiliate program, right? So how to join your affiliate program. Yeah, that is the question. I see it now. And then your answer would be how to join your, it is easy to join our program. It's easier for you guys to type it first on your messenger, and then I just copy and paste here probably, right? It is easy to join our program uh, by by visiting our free tour page here at okay, I have a domain that this is why it's quicker for me to really invite people, guys. Okay, so I don't know why. Oh, so it's only 80 here, 80 character for the answer. So let me try to edit that. To maybe I need only okay. Okay, it's easy to join our program. Go, yeah, go to free tour here. Get quick tour.com. So guys, as you can see, I have 76 characters and it's only supposed to be 80. So I think that's it. I might have a little flower there. It is easy to join our program. Go to free tour. Get a free tour. Maybe I will change that. Get a free tour. Right, exactly 79. So I will need attaching a form in reply. Oh, I think you can also attach a form. Okay, now we need to submit. All right. So do we need to add more? Yeah, that's one question. So the other question could be, this one is how to join your affiliate program. Is there a fee? Okay, add a question. Is there a fee to become an affiliate? Okay, so the answer would be yes. Or maybe let's have a placing word. A one-time, okay, a one-time fee of 40 is needed to join. Let's say no account expiration. I think that's very important to add to. No account expiration. Okay. Expiration. Right. Let's try welcome aboard. Oh no. Welcome or join us. Okay, I'm gonna have a heart, or there you go, submit. All right, so I have 2 questions. What else do you, I think this is enough, you know, because if once they get to the quick tour, you know, they can get all the information there, right? Very easy. Oh, I have to edit this one. I have to edit, okay, because I made a mistake there. Yeah, have proofreading as well prior to completing this. Sometimes I always make mistakes, guys. Is there a fee to become an affiliate? Okay, that's it. A one-time fee of 40 is needed to join. A no account expiration. Join us. All right, so I have 2 questionnaires. How to join. I think that's enough. If I think another one, probably I will edit this, and you are allowed to edit this, guys, okay? And the greetings, we have to have a greetings. Thanks for viewing our offer. I will put, and then thanks for viewing our offer. Hope to see you inside. Okay. And then probably I will put a rose and add here my personal website. As you know, guys, we offer a personal website here in Lola Lifestyle, in Global Income Builder team. And I always have my ready domain name. Always. Very important, guys. Some people are laughing about getting a domain. When you get into online business or any kind of business, you need a domain. Okay? That's my very important tip. Okay, thanks for viewing our offer. Hope to see you inside. And then I want to always add the USA flag. Okay. Oh, so this is longer characters there. 100 allowed. Okay, 150 characters. So you can type anything you want. Thanks for to see you inside. Okay, Coach Lola. Oh, they know me. I want to. This is where I would like to add my flag and delete there. And then have a little trophy. There you go. Submit. Okay, save. You can send me a direct message right now. Oh, there's another one. Thanks for viewing our offer. Hope to see you inside. And then pinned notice, a 30-second notice shown in live chat for viewers to quickly contact you. Oh, that's nice. You can send me a direct message right now. Let me see. Let us edit that one. Or visit Coach Lola. This is for the live, I think. I hope I will, Lola. Oh, I don't think it will fit. Lola Lifestyle. Yeah. Okay, edit notice. I will try. Join us. Visit Coach Lola lifestyle.com. Yeah. So I have 42 characters used. Okay, used up, and I still have 70. So I'll have this, or the flower, or the heart. Join us, visit. See you inside. Okay, I think this will appear inside while you're doing the live. Join us, visit, and see you inside. All right, let's submit this one, and I will check on my live where that will appear. All right, guys. So save. There you go. It's all set up. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Coach Laura here, California. See you at the top. Join livegoodpros.com or go to our team site, mainlivegoodpros.com. This is a tutorial that I will be maybe putting up on YouTube right now. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.